To solve a Rubik's Cubes in step-by-step pattern, first, we need to create a white cross. This pattern can help us to create the first layer. And this is the white cross with the same color in between. And if we already created the white cross, in order to solve the first layer, we must solve first the white corners. Use the white cross as a foundation to organize the side colors. We need to rotate the bottom layer until a white edge piece is positioned below an empty spot on the top face. Find the direction of the white piece you want to align below and then run through our pattern until white cubes is in place. At this point, the white face should be completed in each other face, except the face opposite of the white face should have 3 blocks of the same colors in the top layer and 1 block also of the color in the center of the face. To solving the middle layer, rotate your cube until the colors are completed and face is on the bottom. The goal of this stage is to get the colored edge pieces in their correct place on each face. This step is just like the white cross, but there are a lot of more pieces to think about since you've already solved a great deal of the puzzle. There are 3 different patterns you might see on your cube. Look at the top face and consider only the shape of the yellow cross. You might see one single yellow dot in the center. You might see an L shape or you might see a line. Rotate your top layer until you find 2 edges that need to be swapped with each other. If you can find 2 edges from different faces located on the next face over, you can run through the L patterns twice. And finally, we solved the Rubik's Cube.